And let's once again revisit our lead story coming in from Siachen Glacier, where after 6 days of intense rescue efforts, an army Jawan has been found alive. Let's get in more on that. I'm joined by correspondent Nandita Dagar. Nandita, we were talking about this army Jawan who's found alive, miraculously surviving this, when he was buried 25 feet under snow following an avalanche in Siachen Glacier. While we're talking about the army Jawan's fighting spirit, we cannot forget but mention that the intense rescue efforts being launched by the rescuers for 6 long days now since the tragic incident happened.
Yes, Nancy, even the rescue and rescue efforts would have received a shot in the arm now once Lance Naik Hanumant Rao has been rescued alive, and the entire nation's hopes are pinned on him being resuscitated and recuperating soon.
Yes.
And he will be flown into the R&R hospital, the research and referral hospital. You can see behind me, this is the Army's hospital in Delhi. Obviously, it offers specialized cryobiology and several specialists which can take care of him better than the command hospital in Udhampur and the hospital in Leh. And he's currently being flown from Thois to Leh. Thois is the base camp for the Siachen, is the base camp next in line after the Siachen base camp, and after he's been flown in via chopper to Thois. His condition cannot be said to be very good because obviously he has stayed under the snow, a 30 feet column of snow for more than 6 days, and obviously he is not, and in these conditions when the temperatures drop to minus 45 degrees at a height of 19,600 feet, when the oxygen levels are negligible in the air, even the rescuers were facing very dire challenges because of blizzards, snowstorms, and this absolutely debilitating lack of oxygen and very, very low temperatures. They were using specialized equipment, ice cutting instruments, as well as transponders and transmitters, which were honing into the beacons which these 10 soldiers were carrying in their kits. And therefore the entire nation's hopes are pinned on Lance Naik Hanumantappa's getting recuperating and getting well soon. So obviously the rescue efforts will continue. There are four more people to be found, and I keep my fingers crossed. 4 more. Let's hope people who are alive. Soldiers of ours who are alive, they guard our frontiers day and night.
Yes.
In these harsh, very, very hostile conditions. Is just hoping that they too are rescued alive.
All right, right, Nandita. Thanks very much for joining us and sharing all those details. Well, our best wishes with them as well.